Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn about the Inspect and Adapt event in SA Phase 6.0. The Inspect and Adapt event happens at the end of every program increment. Think of it as a big room reflection where the Agile Release Train pauses, looks at the work, and improves for the next cycle. The Inspect and Adapt event has three main parts: the PI system demo, measurement, and a problem-solving workshop. Part 1 is the PI system demo. This is the Inspect part. Teams show the final state of the solution to stakeholders, and stakeholders give feedback. Part 2 is measurement. A common metric is program predictability. If a team planned 10 objectives and finished 8, the score is 80%. Part 3 is the problem-solving workshop. Teams state one bid problem, find the root cause, brainstorm solutions, and create action items for the next PI. Why is this event important? It builds trust through transparency, improves quality by fixing root causes, and helps teams grow together. In simple terms, Inspect and Adapt is how the team gets better at being a team. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.